Hi ladies and gentlemen, once again this is Aman, the part of Life Pleasure Holidays. We believe in putting ourselves on customer shoes, and we are the part of team which provide the excellent level of services and the warm hospitality to all the guests who come into Sri Lanka. We treat our guests like our own family members and we give the best possible out of it. Here we are, the client from India. Let's see what he thinks about our company and the country Sri Lanka as well. What's your name, sir?
Hi, this is Aman Kohli this side. I'm from Delhi. I'm working with an MNC called ABB Limited as a managerial cadre. And she's my wife, Neha Kohli.
I am Neha Kohli. I'm working as a research analyst in WNS.
And before coming, this is our honeymoon trip that we have planned. And before coming to, during the finalizing stage, we were very confused what to do. Then I read an article regarding this trip triangle. And then I searched over it, and as soon as I put the inquiry, I got a call from Aman. And he was a very helpful guy. I didn't have any plan. We were planning to go to Dubai, go to Singapore and all. But we had never thought that we come to Sri Lanka. But Aman convinced me a lot. He told me everything about the country. And even I have to stretch my budget, but I feel that whatever budget I have stretched, I have what we call in India that full paisa vasool that we have done. It's very good. The country is very good, very beautiful. I visited this Nukrailia, it's a nice place. Then I went to this Indruva, a nice place. Especially the whole stay that was arranged for us, it's very beautiful. We were staying in Kapun Hills and in Kapun's Villas and Resort. It was very beautiful resort. More or less, I think these are the efforts of Aman that has helped us to make our honeymoon special. Thanks a lot, Aman.
What do you think about the travel triangle when you approach first time? And how do you approach them putting Sri Lanka as a package?
Sri Lanka, I was not aware. I just read an article about this travel triangle.
Okay.
Then I searched, and immediately I think within putting a request, within I think 2 or 3 minutes I got a call from you.
From travel triangle or from me? Right.
Yeah, from
okay.
you.
Okay.
And then you provided me all the information, and I was fully satisfied. Even I gave you a mail that I am fully satisfied.
Yeah. So do you satisfy with the services of Travel Triangle which they have? Because
Travel Triangle, I am satisfied. Because of Travel Triangle, I come to meet you. Otherwise, Travel Triangle won't be there. We won't be meeting.
Yeah. So do you recommend Sri Lanka to other people to come there for the destination?
We do.
Because as an Indian, basically Western countries become as an option to us. People like to travel to Western countries, but then again, we never thought of going to Sri Lanka. And then again, after Aman had a word with you, we told him that Sri Lanka is a very nice place, we should explore that place. We came here. As a new people, this is a foreign country to us.
Yeah.
So it was totally a new country. You guided us with all the procedure and everything, where to go first, and even the driver, the software which you arranged, the car, everything was very lavish, very good.
Lavish,
Stay was very good.
All right.
So we were satisfied. All thanks
So this is our guest, our special guest from Delhi, and we continuously looking forward to serve the client with the best possible way we can. And we are always thankful to Aman Kohli and her wife to have a great time in Sri Lanka. And we are looking forward to serve the guests in the same way, in the same passion, in the same compatibility level, and to serve with the best of ours. And that's why we are the leading travel company in Sri Lanka. So I recommend you, don't wait, put your inquiry on Travel Triangle. I personally ensure you for the best possible of service and the excellent hospitality. And that's a small gift from our company to you. On behalf of Travel Triangle, Life Pleasure Holidays, we welcome you and we greet you that you had a good time in this country.
Thank you
so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well, thanks. Hope to see you again.
Sure.